In this demonstration, we will use a filter to create a custom dashboard in N-Central. A custom dashboard groups devices with specific services and provides a condensed view of their status. In this example, we will apply a previously created filter to a custom dashboard that reports on the patch status of devices. From the SO or customer level, select Manage Dashboards from the Dashboards menu. Click Add. Select if the dashboard should be public or private, and enter a name and description. Select the filter from the list and use the arrow to move it to the selection column. Open the Monitoring Options tab and select the service to include on the dashboard. In this example, we will select the agent status and patch status v2. Click Save. The dashboard appears in the list and in the left menu.